What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Very long overdue vlog. Anyway, this video is all about this bad boy. Enjoy the photos. I'm going. Okay, there's more cool cars on the other side. Bro, funny thing, this car is so small, but it's not inside the parking lot.
Which one?
This car.
Yeah, that's true.
What the? That's our car in 2 years' time.
Yeah.
Hey, you gonna buy that soon?
Bro, I can afford this. Different kinds.
Really, you're living the dream, man.
Yeah, bro.
So that was a morning at a vintage car meetup, and yeah, it was my first time experiencing it. It was pretty cool. There's quite a lot of pretty cool cars, you know, colorful one, the ones that I used to, you know, see only in the video games. I'm seeing it live, and yeah, it was pretty nice to take photo. The photos that I took were actually turns out pretty good. I'm gonna go through a little bit of edit, and then after that, then I'll post it up in this video as well. Maybe talk about them a little bit, but yeah, fun experience. Anyway, I'm at my favorite hangout place and I work here as well. So yeah, this is Upper House Grill and Bar. They have, you know, awesome Burmese food and Burmese tea and Burmese music. So yeah, I hang out here quite a lot. It's good. You know, feels like I'm back in Myanmar. So this is the only thing that I can, you know, get my hands on. As long as I'm in Singapore. New look, guys. New look. Power Ranger, bro. Power Ranger.
This actually looks like a.
I like it. But no, I'm spending too much money with running gears.
How much have you spent on running alone this month?
400. So yeah, basically I went to an event to shoot some awesome photos, and yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about this camera because I feel like I'm underusing it. This honestly is a $4,000 camera, which I am not, you know, making use of it at all. I mean, everything that comes out of this camera is amazing. Don't get me wrong, I have no complaint about the build quality, like, you know, the internal, everything is just great, right? But I feel like I'm just not the kind of person who, yeah, I just don't have that, you know, kind of time, or like the kind of person who just take out this camera and go out for a shoot, which I should be doing, because sometimes I feel like, you know, I should just stop vlogging, stop talking, stop yapping, and just go out there, take photo and enjoy, right? But that's the main reason why I bought this, but I think I haven't really done that. And every time I go travel, I'm actually carrying this and my other Sony camera to shoot b-rolls, to shoot vlogs, and rarely any photos, right? And even if I bring this out, sometimes I'll just hang it on my, you know, on my shoulder, and I will forget to shoot photos and just, you know, vlog with this. And yeah, I feel like I'm underusing it. I feel like I'm not making use of this at all. It's a $4,000, you know, collecting dust. So yeah, I need to change that. I need to shoot more. I feel like I need to create some more, like, you know, more content around this camera, which will actually help me out a lot. And that was the reason why I bought it. It was so hyped up on YouTube. So yeah, but like I said, I'm not making full use of it, so I need to change. And this little camera right here, the DJI Action 4, it is really convenient, but yeah, I am not enjoying the quality that is like coming out of this little camera. It's convenient, it fits in my pocket, you know, I can run with it and everything, but I think this might well become my running vlog setup, you know. But if I go to other places, I think I should change up my gear, because yeah, the colors is just something else, not my favorite. And the dynamic range is just a little off. I can't complain because it's an action camera and a wide angle lens, but yeah, that's just how I feel. Anyway, I've been gone for a while, a lot of personal reason, and yeah, just work. So, but I'm back. I think you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of the Chiang Mai vlogs, a lot of the fun one, a lot of the exciting one, a lot of the near-death experience. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.